Hello, my name is Sean Levesque with Chevrolet Buick GMC of Puyallup. Today we're going to be talking about some of the new things that we're offering in the 2026 models, including safety features, security features, new technology, and new colors. One of the new features we're going to be talking about today is the turn signal view activated cameras. When you turn your blinker on, it's going to show you the right or the left, depending on which way you want to go. The 2026 Yukon features a new surround vision recorder, which can use the external cameras located in the front, rear, and on the side mirrors to record up to 2 hours of footage. You can also put it in security mode, where if the vehicle's security system is triggered while it's in park, it will activate and record what's going on. And an update to the feature that you all know and love. Super Cruise got a big update this year. We have up to 400,000 miles mapped across the United States and Canada, and it's going to be more widely available across all of our different vehicles. All right, we have a 2026 Terrain here featuring the new Riverstone metallic color. Can I just say it's absolutely gorgeous? And then moving on over here, I have a Acadia Denali in the Glacier White Tri-Coat, new to the 2026 models. Check out one of our 2026 GMC Sierra 2500 AT4Xs in the new Coastal Dune color.
Hey there guys, my name's Nathaniel. I'm down here at Chevy Buick GMC of Puyallup. I just wanted to go over some of our changes for the 26 Buick lineup that we've got coming forward. First things first, we're gonna have a couple color changes. We're gonna have brilliant red coming out on our Envistas and on our Encores. And our Envisions are actually gonna get two new colors. They're gonna get the Quartz Blue and Midnight Opal only on the Avenir package. Jumping up to our Enclave, we're gonna have another new color. It'll be Stone Metallic. It's gonna be a little bit more of a sandy color, a real nice addition to the lineup. And the other thing, they got a big bonus on the Enclaves. They got a new key card on them too. This functions really similarly to your key fobs you already get normally with your purchase. You can lock, unlock, and you can start your vehicles all with your little key right in your wallet instead of having your own key ring.
Hey guys, Cameron here at Chevrolet of Puyallup, featuring our new 2026 Silverado 1500 in the white sand exterior color. It is only one of two new colors for the 2026 model year. We also have Woodland Green, which is a factory order only color. Come down and check them out now today.